Ladies and gentlemen, let's check out what happened in Arlington, Massachusetts. This is the area market report. My name is Dave with DNA Realty Group. So, in the past 30 days, it looks like we had 18 active listings and 42 under agreement or contingent and 29 homes actually sold. From the week of 3/12 to 3/19/2021, 14 new listings, 5 under contract, and 2 homes sold, right? So in the immediate week, it looks like more homes are coming on the market. In the long term, right, the 30-day span, it looks like more properties are going under agreement than coming on the market. So still a seller's market, still great time to buy. Interest rates are incredibly low. And if you go and check out the description, I included some super fun facts if you like those, and I'll see you soon.